Okay, we have just come through the roundabout, intersection of 142, 278, I think Georgia 12. Try to turn and go through the historic district around the square. Here's somebody on a scooter or electric bike one. I'm wanting an electric bike myself. He's just on an electric wheel. Interesting. Never seen anything like that before. Coming up here on the right, used to be a burger joint. We come down here on the weekends and go out to the bootleggers, get bigger, liquor, drink, party. Well, the Cow Palace was right up here on the right. Burger joint. I'm not sure which one of these buildings. The building may be gone now altogether. That could be it, but I don't know. But anyway, the Cow Palace is gone. Turn right here, it'll take you into Loganville, cross over I-20. Covington is the county seat of Newton County. It was established in 1822. Population is 14,206. The elevation is 741 feet above sea level. The square mileage surface area is 15.97 with 15.73 being land and the rest being lake. Used to be an A&P up there on the right. Opened, I guess, in 1975. Long gone. All the A&Ps are long gone. I think they pulled out of Atlanta around 1998. We're going to turn left up here, maybe not this light, the next light. I think it'll take us into downtown and historic district. That road may have taken us right in there. Covington's grown a lot. I used to know it a lot better than I do now. I haven't seen any barbecue, which I didn't expect to on Sunday. But I'm getting hungry. I have to find something to eat shortly. Yeah, this ought to do it. There's the old courthouse. It's a Big A's Hardware. Been a lot of TV filming down here. I think In the Heat of the Night, Carol O'Connor and the bunch. My plan is to go up here and go around the courthouse, the square, come back just about the way we came down, and then go on up to 278, and maybe going to Conyers on 278 instead of I-20 and getting off. Okay, we'll go straight right here and go around the square. I may stop and try to get some point and shoot video with the Nikon, but I'm going to have to change this battery. I'll drive down in front of the new courthouse and then go around the square. There is the old jail. I'm glad we came this way. I wouldn't have got a video of it. Now we'll be looking right into the back. I think that could be the side of the old courthouse. We'll go around there and see what it is, though. We'll turn right, go down one or two streets and come up, try to get a full view of it. This is one way and we cannot turn left. Go down here to the next street. old Sinclair station. Yeah, the old courthouse right here on the left. We're going to go around the block. Let you get a good picture of the square in Covington, Georgia. Busy place. A lot of history in Covington. Well, we won't get a head on, but you'll be able to get a pretty good view of the old courthouse. We will turn right up here. There's the old Sinclair gas station again. Okay, we're coming up on junction of Georgia 81, which would take us all the way into Loganville. And then over to Winder. Porterdale's to the left. We won't go by there today, but that's a little mill town. It was established in 1917. Population of 1,477. Elevation of 699 feet above sea level. And a square mile surface area of 2.429. The mill has been converted to lofts, like a lot of these little Georgia towns and the mills. There's a walking trail along Indian Creek. Here comes Speed Racer up here behind us. We're going to turn in here and keep going up 278. I was going to go through Oxford, but I'm going to be running out of time. Somebody's not watching. They're just going to try to push their way out. Teenage boys, we used to have a lot of fun. Come down here on Friday, Saturday night, Sunday, go to bootleggers, get beer, ride around these old country roads, dirt roads, drunk. And then go all the way back to Atlanta, Decatur. Got a pretty good story about one night on the way back from Covington. I about getting pulled over in Rockdale County and Conyers. I'll relay that story when we get to the Conyers. I didn't want to get on 20. We may be able to stay on 278. We may not have to. I don't know. We'll see. Looks like we have to. Okay, we're going to go up here and get off somewhere before we get to the 138 exit.